The maintenance feature within the Device Management tab of the control panel allows you to manage the maintenance needs of your fleet by alerting you whenever maintenance tasks are due based on the mileage and/or hours of use. This feature is only available for hardwired devices that are used for tracking vehicles or machinery. This feature will not function with the battery-powered devices. Clicking the Maintenance button will display the Device Maintenance window, which shows you a list of all hardwired vehicles or assets on your account. The search box allows you to quickly locate the maintained device you wish to view. After entering your search criteria, press the Enter key on your keyboard to execute the search. To clear the search, delete all the search criteria within the search box and press the Enter key. The number in the serial column shows the serial numbers of the devices you set up to maintain within your account. The names or numbers within the name column reflect how you choose to refer to the device. The status column indicates the status of all maintenance alerts associated to the device. Now, select the device from your list of maintained devices. From the Edit Maintained Device window, you can make edits to your maintained device if need be. Click the Save button to save any edits you make. A green pop-up window will appear, confirming that you have successfully saved and modified your device. To create a maintenance alert, select the device for which you wish to create the maintenance alert. Clicking on the Create Alert button from the Edit Maintained Device window will display the Create Maintenance Alert window. First, enter the name for your alert in the name field. The device will automatically be selected, but can be changed to a different device or device group. You can then select a recipient for your maintenance alert from the drop-down menu. To add more than one recipient, select the Add Recipient button. An additional drop-down menu should appear. Under the maintenance options, you will see an Add Conditions button. This is for frequency of notification and should show 4 boxes to enter warning conditions and alert conditions in miles or hours respectively. Multiple warning or alert conditions can be created by clicking Add. Once the parameters have been set, thoroughly review the maintenance alert summary at the bottom to confirm that the alert is how you wish it to be. Once everything is completed, click the Save at the bottom. A green pop-up window will appear confirming that you have successfully modified your alert. Each vehicle or asset in the fleet may have an unlimited number of alerts assigned to it. From the main vehicle list, the status column will indicate the status of upcoming alerts. Green means no alerts are upcoming. Yellow means that the vehicle is in the warning period for an alert. And red means that the alert has been sent and the maintenance is now overdue. Tech support is available Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturdays, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central.